Janine, ipinasilip na ang bagong bahay at bagong Big TV. Nagbahagi nga ang multi-awarded actress TV host na si Janine Gutierrez sa kanyang Instagram account ng short video kung saan ipinakita at ipinisilip niya ng konti ang kanyang bagong bahay at syempre ang bago niyang Samsung TV na 65 inches ang laki. Ayon nga sa naging post ng dalaga. Go! Big and go home to the world's #1 TV. Why did I choose Samsung 65 Crystal UHD TV and the Samsung C450 soundbar? Both rank global #1. You have vivid and lifelike visuals and a harmonious sync of 3D surround sound for a cinema quality experience at home. There's also Samsung TV Plus, a free built-in streaming platform, so I don't need to apply for cable and smart things that manage my energy consumption. For even more savings, it's all big wins with at Samsung PH. Visit samsung.com now to see the big deals and discounts available. Clearly that's Samsung AITV. Celebrate big with Samsung. Global #1 for 18 years. Samsung PH.
I got the global #1 TV for my new home, and you can too.
We're setting up the 65-inch Samsung Crystal UHD Smart TV, the global #1 TV for 18 years, paired with the Samsung C450 soundbar, global #1 for a decade now. First, let's do a simple TV room setup. Family is here, let's go. You have vivid colors, 4K picture quality, and enhanced depth and color for the best lifelike visuals and cinematic experience right at home. Your favorite content, whether it be movies or cooking vlogs, are also
Automatically upscaled to 4K resolution for ultimate clarity and detail.
There's also Samsung TV Plus, a built-in free streaming platform with sports, news, and entertainment channels. No need to pay for a cable subscription. And save even more money with SmartThings, where AI energy mode is used to save on your electricity bills and reduce your carbon footprint. Good for your wallet and the planet. Celebrate big now and visit samsung.com to see the big TV deals just for you.
Kitang-kita naman ang ganda ng bagong bahay ni Janine na class kahit na saglit lang ipinasilip. Kaya naman may request ang kanyang mga fanay. Perfect for a movie marathon. Cool TV. Beautiful Janine. House tour vlog please. So nice. Yay. Super perfect. Love the TV. Wow na wow. Nothing but the best for this hardworking lady. Wow. Super perfect. Nice. Love it. Kita sa naturang video na tila nag-enjoy ang mga magkakapatid ni Janine sa napakalaking TV niya kung saan sama-sama nga silang nanood at nagmarathon. Sweet ate talagang maituturing si Janine sa kanyang mga kapatid na palagi niyang nakakabanding at palagi rin siyang dinadalaw ng mga ito sa bagong bahay niya. Sana nga magpa-house tour si Nini at sana rin magkaroon ulit sila ng vlog with Echo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.